Hey guys, welcome back to Kendi Beauty. So today I got the mmmmitchell Made by Mitchell collection in the mail. I have been really excited about this. I think mmmmitchell is just such an amazing makeup artist. I've really admired him over the years, and he seems like such a sweet, nice guy too. I don't know him personally, but he does some killer makeup. He's a very talented, I believe he's self-taught MUA. I could be wrong about that. I'm not entirely sure, but I could have sworn I saw somewhere that it said self-taught MUA. But like I said, I could be wrong about that. Anyways, he's amazing. Whatever the case may be, he's an amazing makeup artist, and he's very well known in the community and in the beauty industry. So anyways, when I found out he was coming out with a line, I was super excited. I knew it was going to be something colorful because he loves to play with colors, and so do I. So anyways, I'm really excited to share this collection with you guys. If you're wondering what is on my face today, I am wearing the Kaleidos Makeup Sashimi palette and the Lunar Lavender palette. And I have the S-Clean foundation, the Rare Beauty foundation. I've been really loving the new Rare Beauty foundation. Sort of mix them. I'm actually just tried out my new Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, so I have some of that. I have some Scott Barnes cheek palette and some Hourglass strobe light on the cheeks. And then I am really blown away. I just tried out this, it's a very small sample, but it's for Renee. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that the right way. I love. It's supposed to be a gloss, but it's like a hybrid between a gloss and a liquid lip, and I'm absolutely loving this. I love the formula. I love everything about it. So I have never heard of this brand. I will be doing more and probably getting more, but I just wanted to point that out. Like, I really like my lips today. Let me know if you guys agree. If you guys are new here, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, tap the bell so you can be notified of all the new upcoming videos. We do a lot of new makeup, a lot of fun, a lot of giveaways, and it's just going to continue to roll out through the holidays. I love hearing from you guys, so make sure you comment below on today's look, and let's get right into this collection. Alright, and before we get started, I just want to give you guys a little bit of background information on the products. So the first palette that I picked up is the Feet on the Ground palette, and it does come with this really cute, like kind of foamy, it almost feels like one of those comfy mouse pad sort of exterior case. And it's very like bright and colorful and camouflage. And it says Feet on the Ground is Mitchell's dream khaki palette with complementing grungy and moody tones to open up this color story, allowing you to create any look from rainbow blends to black, smudgy, smoky eyes. There's 25 shades, 3 sheens, 3 metallics, and 19 mattes. Okay, and then the next palette is called the Head in the Clouds palette and pouch. This also retails for about 40 pounds. It says Head in the Clouds is a palette Mitchell has envisioned for years, something whimsical yet bold with a mix of pastels, neons, and deep tones. The looks are endless, a new take on your typical rainbow palette. Again, this palette has 25 shades, 3 sheens, 3 metallics, and 19 matte shades. And again, here are the palettes with this really cute pouch. I actually really like that a pouch was included. It's a really nice quality. It's like that, like I said, that like foamy sort of like mouse pad sort of thing, and I could definitely see myself packing palettes. It's big enough to put palettes in for traveling whenever we're able to travel again. Brushes, you know, you name it, you can fit it in this. I really like this, along with the palette itself. And speaking of brushes, I did pick up 2 of the brushes. I picked up the ME2, which is the tiny eye definer brush, and then I picked up the MF1 face cheek stippler brush because I also picked up 2 of the blushers. And I picked up the, let's see, Peach Sugar blusher and the Mango Daiquiri blusher. I wasn't going to get the blushes, but when I saw that Mango Orange Daiquiri one, I was like, yes please. And you can get the blushers as a set for 71 pounds, or you can get them individually for 14 pounds. And then let's see, same thing with the brushes, you can get them as a set, and then some of them are priced at 10 pounds, some of them are priced at 50 pounds, and the set is, let's see, how much is the set? It is 64 pounds, so that's why I just decided to get 2 brushes. I wanted to sort of test out the quality first before I went all in and got the complete set. Everything is made in China, PRC, and the shelf life on everything is 12 months, it looks like. And yeah, so let's get right into these swatches and create a look. Okay, so I did prime my eye with the P. Louise Base Number 0 and the Urban Decay Original Eyeshadow Primer. Okay, so first I'm going in with this bright shade right here called Tiger Lily. It's kind of like a bright coral, fluorescent, almost orangish color. Or you know what? No, I'm not going to go in with that first. I changed my mind. I'm going to go in with this lime neon sort of green color called Chemtrail. And I am using this brush. This is a little bit of a shorter brush than I am used to. Whew, okay. Alright, you guys, here we go. I love that. Wow. This is literally like butter on the eye. I'm impressed with this brush too. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this Arcade More Yellow shade. It kind of looks the same to me. Is that the same color, you guys? I can't tell. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with this orange shade called Tiger Lily. That is beautiful. I love that Tiger Lily shade. I actually like all of this so far. I was a little bit skeptical. I wasn't really sure what to expect. Now I'm just sort of bringing those 2 shades together. Wow. Loving this, you guys. Loving this. Okay, and now what should we do? Alright, now in the Head in the Clouds palette, I'm going back in with this pink shade called Night Nympha. These are very, very pigmented shadows. Now in this same palette, I'm going in with this purple shade called Perps and Caicos. I actually really am enjoying these brushes, you guys. I just had to fix my light, it like went AWOL on me. Don't you guys love it when that happens? And then now we're going in with this very deep, it's like a navy deep blackish blue called Midnight. Alright, I don't know if I like how that's turning out, so I think I'm going to go into this teal blue shade called Cockpit. Maybe just put that over top of the Midnight. I didn't like how the Midnight was kind of blending, so I feel like that's probably more of like a definer shade, something you'd use as a liner or in the crease. Alright, now I'm going to cut my crease and then we'll be back to do the rest of the eye. Okay, so now that my crease is cut, I am going to go in with this, I think it's a metallic, I don't know if it's a shimmer or metallic, we're going to find out. It's called Mama's Garden. And I'm just patting this on the inner corner. Okay, and now I'm just going to go on the outer corner. as well with that same Mama's Garden shade. And this is the Feet in the Ground palette. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. And now going back into the Head in the Clouds, we're gonna go in with this gorgeous blue eclipse sort of, I believe that this is a metallic shade. And that is beautiful. You know what, I think I am just gonna use my finger. So pretty. You know what, you guys, I am really liking this blue, so I think I'm just going to change my mind and I'm gonna bring this blue all the way over the top of the green. This could be a hot mess, but I'm gonna try to do my best. I just really like this blue shade. A lot. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with this shade in the Feet on the Ground palette called Limeade. This is, I believe, like more of a shimmer sort of topper shade. And I am gonna go over top of the green. And I wanna sort of blend this all together a little bit more, like put this a little bit on top of the blue. Okay, and there definitely is a little bit of fallout. Okay, so underneath the eye, I'm just basically doing the same thing I did above the eye, now on the bottom. Alright, you guys, so I know this looks a little bit cray-cray. That's alright. We're going to clean everything up, do the other side, and come back for some blush and our final thoughts on this collection. Alright, you guys, so now that we're done creating our beautiful MMmitchell, Made by Mitchell look, we are going to go in with some blush. I do just want to really quickly swatch both the mango and the peach sugar for you guys, so you can just sort of see, you know, what it looks like without it being on the cheeks. And I wasn't sure if I was gonna like these. I'm still not sure. We're gonna see. So obviously the peach sugar is like your typical sort of pinky coral terracotta shade, and then the mango is like a vivid, beautiful orange. Okay, and here you can see them side by side, and as you can see, the peach sugar does look a little bit more matte and opaque, and the mango looks like a little bit more like translucent and dewy. I don't know what to do. I think I am gonna do the mango, you guys. We'll save the, maybe we'll do the peach sugar on the lips. I don't know. I'm a little too nervous. I'm a little scaredy cat today, so I am just gonna put a little bit on the brush that I got. We're just gonna sort of have a little bit more control and do it this way to start out with. Alright, maybe I am just gonna put it right on the cheek because that's not really giving me the orangeness that I want. Alright, this is not as orange as I thought it was going to be on the skin. It's kind of coming off like more as a yellow, actually. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should let it like kind of sit for a second. I don't really know how I feel about this blush, you guys. Alright, so I did my best. I don't know. I'm going to have to play around with these blushes more. Should I try this on the lips? I do want to try the mango. Ooh, that is so pretty on the lips, you guys. So now I'm just putting the mango daiquiri on my lips as like a lipstick. And I'm really liking that on the lips. Oh wow, yeah, I'm loving this. You know what, so this was worth it just to get this, just to put on the lips, honestly. Look at how pretty that is. Okay. All right, now I'm hyped back up. So my final thoughts on this collection. I really think mmmmitchell did an outstanding job. Both of the palettes, I feel like, have enough color that you can use them by themselves and create a sort of bright, colorful look, but then also you can get some neutrals out of both palettes. And I really like that, because that means for somebody who doesn't maybe want to buy both palettes, they can, and not have to buy the other one. So I really like that. The only thing I do wish is that one of the palettes had a blue, like a royal bright blue shade. I thought that the metallics and the mattes were just out of this world. I'm blown away by the formula. A lot of people were speculating that maybe it would be the same formula as Beauty Bay. If it is definitely upgraded, because this is way better than the Beauty Bay palettes I've tried. I haven't tried any recently, so I can't say that for sure, but to me, I feel like the formula is definitely better on the mattes and also the metallics. I do like the sort of tapper shimmer shades as well. I like those. I don't know how I feel about the blushers. Not sure. I mean, it is pretty, actually. I think I just need to like play around with them and learn how to use them, because I'm not a liquid blush person. I tend to stick with powder for blushes. And I love this on the lips, and overall I'm really impressed with this collection. I am really impressed. I love that somebody came out with something colorful. I think this would have been even like more exciting if it came out during the summertime, but I love color all year round, so it is fine for me. I love this look. There's just so many artistic things that you can do with these palettes, and you don't, you know, there are some repeats, like I think the yellow, the black, and the white are repeats. That being said, I like a yellow, black, and white in all of my palettes. Like I like having black, a white option, and a yellow option in palettes, because there's so much you can do as far as blendability to work those shades into other shades. So I do like that. The only thing I'm not like, if I had to choose one thing to complain about, one little thing, I wish the packaging of the palettes themselves was like not that sort of camouflage grunge sort of a, not that camouflage sort of grunge type of a vibe. Like I think it would have been prettier if the inside of the palette was just like a regular color, not the camouflage, because it kind of distracts you from the beautiful shades of the pans and the colors. But as far as the way that this applied, so good. I highly suggest you guys check out these palettes if you can grab them still. I know they're available on his site, Made by Mitchell. I don't know if Cult Beauty, or yeah, I don't know if Beauty Bay is offering them as well, but I really like, I mean, just grab one, you know, and play around with it. If you're into colors, I really think this palette is amazing, and I love this look, and I love this on the lips, and I love it all. Alright, you guys, so that's my final thoughts on this collection. I'm very impressed. I was kind of thinking I wouldn't be this happy with this, but I am. I am very pleasantly surprised with this collection. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts on this collection, on colorful palettes that you guys like, on this look. You know, anything you want to see more of, let me know down in the comments below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. You mean so much to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.